In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the wiper blades on the front of this Dodge Durango. The driver's side takes a 22-inch blade and the passenger side takes a 21-inch blade, so make sure you have the correct ones. Let's get started. Grab the wiper arm and lift it straight up. In my case, the wipers that are already here have this little tab that you have to flip up. Oftentimes, you just fold the wiper down and you either pinch tabs here or pry a tab here. That's what's going to unlock it. Once again, for me, it's right here. I just have to pry up on it, open it up, and once I open it, I can pull the wiper blade down off of the arm, just like this. Now, do not let go of this wiper arm at this point. It can fall and break the windshield being metal. Hold on to it and have your new wiper ready to go. Hook it on. Make sure it's facing the right way, of course, otherwise it won't hook on. Push until it clicks, and that's perfect right there. Now on the back side, you'll see that it has this white piece of plastic. This is just a protective cover for the blade itself. Remove it, otherwise the wiper not only will not wipe, but it can scratch the windshield. Now gently put the wiper arm down and do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.